Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models, and welcome to day 2 of the Advent Calendar Escape Room story. Join me at the bench as we look at day 2 and then do the puzzle. So, the day 2 story, let's have a look at that. We've got to decipher the poem today. Night was already beginning to fall, and the temperature with it. Leon, his collar rolled up to his ears, wandered among the stalls lit with a brightness too cheerful for his mood. The air was permeated with the sweet and spicy scent of mild wine. He searched without conviction, but with the constraint of a family duty, for some original gifts for those he loved without knowing how to prove it to them. The stalls, all similar, were overflowing with objects, each more useless than the last. Objects he had, of course, already given in the past to his sister, his brother-in-law, and their children. Cheap scarves, candles scented with lavender or vanilla, wooden toys half a century out of date, trinkets that you could look at without really seeing them. Just as he was thinking about turning back, the cold making his way into his numb joints, his gaze was drawn to a tiny wagon a little off to the side, set there as if by mistake. It had neither garlands nor blaring music. Leon had never noticed the wagon's presence in previous years, but he felt inexplicably drawn to it, as if it would pull him out of the banality into which all those other stands had plunged him. The wagon door, half open, creaked softly as he pushed it open. A rush of warm air, heavy with scents and that perfectly matched the place, incense, wax, and aromatic plants, perfumed his face. Inside, the space seemed much larger than he had expected. Wobbly shelves half collapsed under an accumulation of all sorts of trinkets, dusty vials, broken mirrors, rusty jewellery, and faded rag dolls. Everything in the room smelled of the past. An old woman stood there as if melted into the background, dressed in a black shawl. A wrinkled, angular, parchment-like face contrasted with her eyes, which sparkled with the mischief of this atypical character. Two embers that stared at Leon without a word. "I'm looking for a gift," Leon said, almost embarrassed. "To send to my sister, something simple and quick. Christmas isn't my speciality," he added after a few seconds, almost as an apology. The old lady gave him a big mocking smile from her toothless mouth. "Ah, Christmas. For you, it's nothing more than a package sent every year out of obligation, a formality to be taken care of, isn't it? You've lost your childlike soul, sir." He shrugged, ready to leave. "Wait," she said before he walked out the door. "I might have something that suits you. Try this tea and see how it goes." She held out a small steaming cup to him, containing some kind of dark, almost black tea, whose scent evoked damp undergrowth, spices, and something else. Something indefinable, perhaps childhood. The strange old woman seems to have a large quantity of teas in stock. At the height of its originality is the name of each of the teas she offers is always hidden in a little poem, accompanied by a strange series of numbers and figures. Could you identify the name of the tea that Leon is about to drink? Right, so we have a poem here. The branches bend beneath a sugared cloak. Breath of warm curls through the ferny ground. A golden wind sips softly past the oak. It melts the snow in sheets of light all around. The wolf is still, the frost retreats from sight. Something burns quiet in the hollow deep. A mossy fire, bark crackling in the night, awakens powdered memories from sleep. The sap is whispering to maple trees, a winter song with tones beyond compare. Cinnamon wanders, carried on the breeze. Among the flakes, it dances through the air. There, in the shelter of a cracked old oak, I close my eyes to breathe the moment in. All feels so soft, suspended, words unspoke. Time fades away beneath the cloud's thin skin, and cold turns gentle under this closed sky, where the souls can bloom like echoes, faint, profound. Each flake, each breath, each shadow drifting by revives a taste that comforts and surrounds. And some numbers, right. Let's see what we've got. Oh, nothing there. So I've just got to put the numbers in. Right, let me go to the page, see what it is that it's asking us, and then we'll see what it is that we can put in. Let me just go to, I think we'll go to the screen here so you can still see me and the book. Let's have a look. Day 2 is what we're on. The strange old woman has a large quantity of teas in stock. Right, so we've got to enter the tea name in uppercase. That's all that we have to go with. Let me put caps lock on so we can make sure I'm typing correctly. Right, well, this is going to be a puzzle, so the numbers must mean something, and it's got to be something to do with this. So I'm assuming that it's going to be letters or words. 1, 2, 3 will probably be the first line. Second word, third letter would be an A. Let's see if that makes sense. 4, 2, 1. 4, 2, 1 will be M. 6, 2, 1 is B. AMB. 6, 3, 4. 6, 3, 4 is E. Might be Amber. 7, 3, 3. 7, 3. Sorry. 6, 7. 3, 3 is R. So we have got Amber. Yes. So it seems to be the right. 9, 4, 10. 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. With just a G right at the end there. 12, 3, 2. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 3, 2 was L. Ambergl. Only 2 more letters to go. 14. 8, 12, 14. 5, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0. And 19. 4, 8. 16, 17, 18, 19 is the penultimate line. 6 and 6. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Shadow is W. Amber glow. That sounds like a proper word as well. So we'll validate that. Well done. The tea seems delicious, but will it help Leon find something to offer? Yeah, we'll go to the next day, but we've got to put in some 6-digit codes found on a note tomorrow. But for now, that will do for today. Join me tomorrow as we continue on and see what we've got to do. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye for now.